Welcome back to Uncle Bud's Cookhouse. Today we're going to get pretty basic. We're going to do some boiled eggs. Hard boiled, that is. Now, as I learned cooking growing up, I always had issue boiling eggs. So I finally found this method. It's quick, it's easy, takes about 20 minutes in total, but you come out perfectly boiled eggs. Now we got a pot here with 12 white eggs. We're going to put them in just enough water to cover about an inch above the top. Alright, so as soon as this comes to a rolling boil, we're going to give it a count of 9 minutes. And we'll take them out, put them in an ice bath, I'll show you the rest. Okay, so it's been about 9 minutes now. Our eggs are finished boiling. I have a bowl of ice water here. I'll put them in, let them sit for about a minute. Now what that's going to do is, it's going to help the white pull in a little bit, separate from the membrane. And as we crack inside the water gets inside in that little separation, it comes off nice and easy. Get these out. These are still very, very hot, so be careful. Okay, eggs have been out for a minute now. We'll take them out and we'll show you a little way to crack I like. So take a roll, just tap it, and roll as you go. Many little fractures. There should be an air pocket on one side here, right there. You can see it separated. Now put your egg back in your water. And once you get through this little membrane, squeeze a little bit and separate. There we go. And like that, just roll your finger, a little water, clean off any eggshell that's on there. That's perfectly hard boiled egg. Now if you want a medium egg, about 7 minutes from time to boil. If you want a soft boiled egg, do 5. Thanks for joining us in the Uncle Bud's Cookhouse. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down in the corner. And check us out on Facebook and Instagram. You get to see a few things you don't get here. Some reviews, some how-tos, and some behind the scenes. We'll see you next time.